All parts and installation hardware are included. Attach the bottom panel to the side frames. Ensure that the cutout in the center of the frames is facing the front. Secure using M8 hexagon screws and flange nuts. Secure using M4 self-tapping screws from the front. Attach the top panel to the side frames. Secure using M8 hexagon screws and flange nuts. Secure using M4 self-tapping screws from the front. Attach the vertical rails to the side frames. Secure using the M5 self-tapping screws. Attach the L-type rails to the vertical mounting rails. Secure using the M6 cage nuts and screws provided. Insert and secure the side panels into the cabinet frames. Attach the back panel to the cabinet frames. Secure using the M4 self-tapping screws. Install the front door lock. Install the front door. Install appropriate anchors for the wall. Install the hanger bar. Ensure that the mounting hooks are facing outward. Mount the cabinet onto the hanger bar. Secure the cabinet using the M4 self-tapping screws.